Welcome back to my channel, friends. 8 things you need to know before starting your own dairy farm. Whatever your background and experience, there are some things you need to know before you start milking cows. Develop a business plan and a SWOT analysis. It is important to remember that a dairy farm is a business. Development of detailed business plan and SWOT analysis, strengths, weakness, opportunities, and thoughts of your plan and the resources you have available will be critical to the success of your business. How many cows will you milk? Where will you market your milk? Will you hire employees? How much money do you need to live on after the dairy bills are paid? Your business plan should include a cash flow plan that will help you set responsible expectations for your expenses and cost of production. Consult the experts. Even if you grow up on a dairy and learn how to feed and milk cows from your parents and grandparents, it is important to consult experts in the dairy industry as you develop your business plan and design your management system. Other dairy producers are great resources. Attend field days and open houses on dairy farm in your area and other parts of the state or country. When you visiting other farm, find out what has worked well on those farmers and what has not worked, but keep in mind that just because something worked on one farm does not mean it will work for you on for your farm. In addition to farmers, talk to bankers, extension educators, and other that can provide different on management on your dairy. Create a cropping and feeding program. Whether you are going to feed a TMR, total mixed ration, graze your cattle, or some combination of both, dairy cattle require a ration, set a nutrition to support themselves, produce milk, and grow a calf. Work with the nutrition to develop rotation for your lacting cows and dairy cows and half year if these animals are the raised on the farm. Many dairy farms produce most, if not all, their own fungus, and many of their grain need rising. All your own feed takes land and time, not to mention investment for planning and having the crops. Hiring customs operators to plan it and harvest crops to, or making arrangement with the neighbors to share and labor reduce